Hello there everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, you are going to see how to set up voicemail settings on Android phone. So let's get right into it. Head over to your settings option. Go to the search bar and search for voicemail and go to the voicemail option. And under the call settings section, there goes a voicemail option. Head over to it. And I have two SIMs right here, and if I want to add a voicemail in one of my SIM, head over to the voicemail number, add any number you want and tap on OK, and the number is changed for your voicemail settings. And this is how you can just set up a voicemail settings on your Android phone. Yeah, hope this video will help you out, and make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel, and we will see you in the next one.